Safari Vibes Records. 5 on the beat. Kid Nexa. OG in the building. Eastside Kings.
Nilitoka chini bila sponsor. Nada city wanna put me on poster. Kuna shortcut nilichimba ground. Sasa na stand tall kama Monument Town. Vision clear, sina doubt, mi time imeilea. Sina route, if it's war on the mic I don't hide, nina bars heavy, I collide. From East Africa tunapanda stage, sauti zetu zina break the cage. Walisema gojea, nikasema watch. Sasa nina glow, siwezi kuzima torch. Eastside Kings tunatawala, hakuna kutuzuia. From Nairobi mpaka Dar, Safari Vibes ni familia. Eastside Kings hatuogopi kwenye beat, tunaweka moto. If you talking about the crown, we already got it locked though. They know the OG don't play. When I step on the beat, it's a payday. From Kayole to global stage, I'm setting the standard, rewrite the page. You can't compare me, ni heavyweight. Punchlines heavy, I levitate. When I drop bars, ni earthquake. Mic yangu ni weapon, no safety. Here Africa ni empire, flow yangu ni wildfire. If you chasing the throne, better train. This is not for hire. Hakuna kurudi nyuma. We built this from the ground up. Crown, iko mikononi mwetu. Eastside Kings tunatawala, hakuna kutuzuia. From Nairobi mpaka Dar, Safari Vibes ni familia. Eastside Kings hatuogopi kwenye beat, tunaweka moto. If you talking about the crown, we already got it one. Eastside Kings tunatawala, hakuna kutuzuia. From Nairobi mpaka Dar, Safari Vibes ni familia. Eastside Kings, hey. Eastside Kings, hey. 5 on the beats. Safari Vibes Records. Kid Nexa. Polygraph Jones. East Africa to the world.